So now that we're working on the printing lesson, we have a few challenges. The first challenge asks us, what will this code snippet print to the console? First, we're given x equals 3, and then x is multiplied by 12, and from that, 14 is subtracted, and then finally, x is printed. So let's say that initially x is equal to 3, and then x times 12, x equals x minus 14. That's 36 minus 14. Most people are going to want to go to 22 here, right? That's what the math ends up being. But if we actually look at it, the assignment operator is only being given one time here. We're only assigning a value to x in one specific instance, and that's the first line of code, x equals 3. The value of x actually never changes after that. So we can go ahead and choose 3 here and see, right, the value of x hasn't actually changed from its initial value of 3. So that is how we get the correct answer. If we were to actually get to that number 22, right, we would need x times equals 12 or x minus equals 14 to actually update the value of x. The moral of the story here is when you use the print statement, it's not going to print what you might intuitively think it's going to print. It's only going to print exactly what you tell it to, right? Computers are very literal. We tell it that x is equal to 3. We do some other stuff, not important stuff, and then we print out x, which is still equal to 3 based on the assignment operator. That's it for this challenge. We'll see you in the next video for the solution to challenge number 2.